difficulty with English pronunciation is that you don't always say every letter you see. In fact, some letters are silent. That's what we are going to tackle today. We have been thinking about how words in English can sometimes have a silent letter. One of them is the silent W. Again, silent W. Are you ready? There are actually words in English which contain an unvoiced or voiceless W. So first, let's understand the rules. An unvoiced W is most commonly followed by the letter R. For example, wrist, wrap, right, ring, wrestle. Very good. As you can see, we are using the R sound instead of the W sound. Alright, another rule is when the W is before H at the beginning of the word. It means it's unvoiced in some words. For example, who, who'll, whoever, whose, whom. That's right. This time, we are using the H sound, not the W sound. Get it? Silent letters are the letters in words that are not pronounced but make a huge difference to the meaning and sometimes the pronunciation of the whole word. But honestly, silent letters aren't there to mess with your brain. They're there for various reasons, and so identifying and understanding them will definitely help your spelling, writing, and confidence with your English skills. So I hope these videos would really help you in learning more about English. Thank you so much for listening. Once again, I am Ellie from Boost English. See you next time. Goodbye.